Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how to export chat on WhatsApp. If you want to export chat on WhatsApp, here is how to go about it. If you're in your WhatsApp, you go to your settings. In your settings, you click on chats, you move to export chats. Here you select the individual chat you want to export. For example, you click on the contact name, you select the kind of export you want to make. If you want to just export the text chat or you want to attach a media, let's go with any of it. For example, for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll go without media. You can see this chat is being exported. You can send it to any individual and you can copy the chats. You can as well save the chat to your file. You can send it using airdrop, send it using Zender. You can send it using text message, email. You can send it on Facebook Messenger as well. You can send it on Snapchat, Telegram. So guys, that is it on how to export chat on WhatsApp. If this video is helpful, please give a thumbs up by liking the video and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in our next video.